let's look at a problem where we have to evaluate logs given the value, the approximate value of some logarithms. So this first one, I'm trying to find the log base 8 of 1/12. Now, I always want to remember where I'm starting. Where I'm starting is here. I have some pieces of information, right? This is the start of my puzzle, and I need to try to break this log into smaller parts and fill in the blanks. So what I know here is that I am dividing, and I need to think about when I divide terms, what do I do to their exponents? I subtract their exponents. So I can rewrite this as the log base 8 of 1 minus log base 8 of 12. Now I want to evaluate what I can. Log base 8 of 1 asks me 8 to what power is 1? Well, anything to the 0 power is 1, so this has the value of 0. Now I'm going to subtract from that log base 8 of 12. Well, I already know that. Log base 8 of 12 is 1.2. And here I am, I'm basically done. 0 minus 1.2 is negative 1.2. Let's look at a couple more together just to see what other rules we can use. There's a couple ways I can approach this problem here. I want to find log base 8 of 49. And I'm using the same information I have at the left. So I need to find a way that I can rewrite log base 8 of 49 using 7s, 12s, and 10s. Well, the first thing that jumps to my mind is that I can rewrite 49 as, let's see, log base 8 of 7 squared. Now my power of a logarithm rule tells me that I can take this exponent and move it out front. So I can rewrite this as 2 times log base 8 of 7. And I know what log base 8 of 7 is. Log base 8 of 7 is 0.9. So this is really 2 times 0.9, which I can evaluate as 1.8. Let's look at one more. Here I want to evaluate log base 8 of 70. So again, I got to approach this like it's a puzzle. I want to think, how can I split up this single logarithm into components made up of terms that I can evaluate? Well, I know that I have 7, 12, and 10 at my disposal, and that I can get to 70 by multiplying 7 and 10. So I can write this as, I can rewrite this as the log base 8 of 7 times 10. And the log of a product rule tells me that I can rewrite this as the log base 8 of 7 plus log base 8 of 10. Why does that help me? Well, because I know those values. I know that log base 8 of 7 is 0.9. And I know that log base 8 of 10 is about 1.1. So when I evaluate this, I should get